So IAmIronLady is helping millions of women to showcase their strengths outside and to rebuild their careers. If I would like to express my feelings, it's very simple that as being woman and born as a woman, we are strong enough to do many things, but sometimes we put ourselves down when we go to the environment changes or any personal things impact on us. By the time we need someone's support, it may be your mentors or who can push up again or who can motivate us in that while. So IAmIronLady is helping millions of women to showcase their strengths outside and to rebuild their careers. See, IAmIronLady itself, name itself is giving us more energy, and as I told you that, and as being women, we have more strength to project ourselves. In this while, IAmIronLady is helping to rebuild our career and also to show our strength outside to the society and recognize ourselves. And it's a great platform for all the women and who can recognize and as well as to do in their something can do in their career. Breakthrough in the sense there are a number of things to be mentioned. After COVID, I have just myself, so decided to shut down my business and go to job. But there I took a challenge. No, this is not my role where I have going and where I'm going to job back and know where I'm going to be the best one in my life. So I just chosen my niche where I can improve and achieve myself. It was a challenge, and I opened my school and as well as training institute. Today I'm proud enough to tell myself that I have trained more than 2,500 teachers and they are successfully working. It's like kind of woman empowerment like IAmIronLady, and where I'm helping people to come out from their life and where they can do something for their life to do, and at least for their like it's not that earning money, so where they can found themselves and where they can learn something new, where they can take care of themselves. So that is how the breakthrough. And meanwhile I also lost my property. That was the big crush in my life where I had, and I felt that's everything I lost, but that's not the way. So I rebuilt it again. I'm focusing more on my career to achieve more, and I'll be the one and I'll show myself to many people like a role model.